MagMod Starter Kit unboxing. On the box is a really nice box. I like their yellow. Here's what comes in the box. They give you the specifications on the box of all of the different pieces in the kit. Nice and shiny, look at that. I like how these stands were protected in these fitted foam protectors that fit perfectly. These are very impressive packaging, MagMod. And it comes with a little Allen key there. And here's the set. There's the small and the big one. And then I guess there's the connector right there. These are heavy. These have some weight to them. Wasn't expecting them to be that heavy. I think it's just a clip there. Yeah, there you go. There's the connection. And here, they're spring loaded. I do that and then it separates. And it looks like these are screwed into the frame of the legs. So these are there. These are there. These stands are always going to be married to each other. So let's see how heavy they are on their own. Okay, so on their own, they're not that heavy. Well, if they're heavier than other stands that I've had, but not as heavy when they're connected. Interesting, this smaller stand, the 9, feels heavier, but let's get this real close-up look here. There's the feet. Here's the top. Right there, there's the baby pin. Take this part out. Looks like there's a cover to reveal a 1/4-20. And that's a longer 1/4-20. So this latch right here, when you release this latch, this completely removes the center column. So you can use the center column as a monopod, or if you want to handhold a light fixture like a strobe if you're a photographer, and then you want to have an assistant that holds a boom arm with a strobe, it detaches and you can have that, and then there's 2 pieces now. On every knuckle here, there's these 2 release buttons that you got to hit both at the same time in order for the stand to extend. Okay, I opened it up. This is not a one-hand operation. It's a 2-hand operation, but you can see here these grooves, and each of these sections is how far you can open them up, whether they're the legs or they're the center column. But this spreads out here. Yeah, there's no springs like you see on a lot of other ones. Oh man, the build quality on this is amazing. I have never seen a stand like this before. MagMod is inventing something new. So each of these grooves, like I just said, is as far as they'll open up. So you can go one little section at a time to extend it. And then they lock in at each of these increments. Yeah, this is sturdy. Wow. It's expensive, but there's nothing else like this on the market right now. At least not as of today. Like, who knows, other manufacturers might copy this if MagMod doesn't have a really great copyright or trademark of this product. Very nice.